that is radiography. Okay, would you like to learn this? Like to learn this? At least 50% of the class is not excited about learning this. Just think what can happen when you can actually register the information in the whole book in 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, that's all. How many times you can register the same book in a year? Think of the quality of retention that can happen. Think of the recall that can happen. I think that's really very exciting. If you are excited about it, you are going to be experts. If you are not, I am sorry. So just think of what can happen with radiography. If you think of it, you will probably get excited about it. What can happen if you read a book for 50 days, for 50 times? You can read it for twice or 3 times in the same day. What can happen if you read a book for 100 times? Think of it. What is the retention that can happen? What is the recall that can happen if you can read a book for 100 times in a year? Isn't it exciting now? See, we register information by feelings. Feelings is also one of the very important aspects of registering. If you are excited about it, register will be better. There are subjects which are boring, they are not interesting. What happens when there is the result time? You realize that you scored less in that subject. Why? Because one aspect of registering did not support you. And that is the most important aspect, which has been neglected throughout, which has been not taught in any school. No one taught how to improve the feelings, to improve the quality of register. Good feeling, good marks. Interesting feeling, good marks. Easy feeling, good marks. Exciting feeling, good marks. Because the information will be registered n number of times better.